Howz'it? I'm Kev. The project has been shut down until a safety issue is addressed. Here's Kirk, standing outside the capsule door. And here's the issue. Very close. Meanwhile, here's an interesting quote from Wikipedia. Each capsule is connected to one of the two main shafts only by 4 high-tension bolts. Here's a drawing I found that shows how capsules cantilever off the steel frame of the tower. Connection points 1 and 2 each have a steel post sitting on a rebate. Connection points 3 and 4 each have 2 bolts fixed to the tower frame. The buildings lasted 50 years, so the engineering was adequate. But I'd love to see the condition of those bolts now. Oh, I installed a safety fence, by the way. This railroad's going places.